Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews and insights on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with the Xinwld A97 Pro. Let's see if these little buds pack a big punch. First off, let's talk about connectivity. Pairing these earbuds with your device is a breeze. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the signal remains rock solid, ensuring uninterrupted listening enjoyment whether you're on iOS or Android. Now, let's delve into the features that make these earbuds stand out. With a crystal-clear soundstage and 4 high-definition microphones, you're guaranteed premium stereo sound and crystal-clear calls. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes or taking an important call, the Xinwld A97 Pro delivers. But it's not just about performance. Comfort matters too. The ergonomic design ensures a snug and secure fit, even during the most intense workouts. And with 3 sizes of ear tips included, finding the perfect fit is a breeze. Durability is also key, especially for active lifestyles. The IP7 waterproof rating means these earbuds can handle sweat, rain, and even a splash or two without missing a beat. So whether you're hitting the gym or braving the elements, the Xinwld A97 Pro has you covered. Now, let's talk about battery life. With up to 40 hours of playback time, you can enjoy your favorite music all day long without needing to constantly recharge. And thanks to the lightweight USB-C charging case, topping up on power is quick and convenient. But what about control? With smart touch controls and wide compatibility, managing your music and calls is effortless. Plus, these earbuds are compatible with a wide range of devices, from iOS to Android and everything in between. In conclusion, the Xinwld A97 Pro offers a winning combination of performance, comfort, and durability at an affordable price point. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a music lover, or a busy professional, these earbuds have something to offer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy listening. And remember, for more in-depth reviews and insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. See you next time.